So, guys, can you just quickly give a quick intro? Am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. My name is Arjun. I am from Hyderabad.
Okay.
I am working in a mainframe developer at Wipro. I have
Mhm.
overall 4.6 years of experience in the mainframe developer as a senior developer.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, the purpose of this session, why you opted for SAP SD? Like, do you want to upskill and move to the new
Yeah.
organization, or?
Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah. Yes. I need to upscape my skills.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. So, any previous experience with SAP, or this is the first time?
Yeah.
Like,
No, it is second time. Why? In the starting my career, I actually uh, end user consultant, but I need to full consultant. Yeah.
okay. And Darshan, what about you?
I am application and sales engineer in PMT machines. So I have to learn SAP SD and want to upscale and looking for new opportunity as a SAP consultant.
Okay. Okay, guys. So, quick intro about me. My name is Mike, and currently I'm working with you can say a leading tech firm. I can't disclose the name due to confidentiality reasons, and I have around 7 years of experience, and the total experience is relevant to SAP SD only. Like from the day one, I'm working with this module only. So basically, when I started as a L1 consultant, and currently, I'm a senior consultant, and basically, like looking after the clients who are kind of if they are using the SAP in some sense, then that is a case of data migration and all. And if not, then if it is from scratch, then basically we go from for the implementation. And similarly, like when I started actually in SAP, there as a consultant, you will have various roles to explore. Like you may work as an end user, you may work as a support consultant, also you may work as a like implementation partner. So for all of these roles, the main objective or the main goal is to have the basic knowledge and the concepts of order to cash cycle. So this session, the entire session, which will be relevant for like 2.5 or 3 months, our goal will be basically to like cover each and every aspects of order to cash cycle. So any doubts till now?
Yeah. It's okay.
So
Mike,
I'll
are you from Maharashtra or what?
sorry,
Are you from? You not?
I'm from Kolkata.
Okay.
So I'll begin with the screen share session. We'll basically, this is an introductory session. So we will have a walkthrough of what all things we are going to cover, how we are going to cover, what will be like our approach to learn a thing and to move on. So is my screen visible?